Welcome to Gen 1 Rev 22 RAW reviews. Today I'm going to be doing a unboxing of the Dehumidifier 3000 series, and this is the box that we've got. It's an ebac, and this is the box it's come in. So I shall take the box apart now. I'm holding the camera, so I might be a little bit shaky. This is my new camera I've ordered. There's a part 1 review on Gen 1 Rev 22 reviews. If you take a look, you can find the review on my channel. So I'm just starting to use this camera in replacement of my previous camera, but I suppose I'll be using both of them depending on what I'm needing to shoot. So I shall now take the ebac dehumidifier out of the box. Okay, so I've undone the top. As we can see, the plug's there on the right hand side, so I shall lift this out. Seems to be well packed. There she is in there. Let me have a little look-see. Plastic bag. It says something about this filter or something on it you've got to take out to be able to get the handle. Lift the handle up. Let me have a little look. Yeah, so basically this is the filter on the back there, and you got, well, I've already taken it off to have a look, but anyway I've left it a little bit loose. So let me take the filter out, which is the filter there. Doesn't seem that, it's quite flimsy that. Anyway, you shall see, and there is the handle at the back. Lift it out, so I shall lift it out, get hold of it. So here she is out of the box. I've just plugged it in. So this is the back. The back has got a cable. You can wind the cable around this here. The filters here, I've already taken that off and showed you how it comes off, because there's a handle inside there, but I'll just, well, there you go, there's the handle. It comes off, it just slides down these runners there. Okay, put it back on, click it in. The unit seems fairly solid. I don't know whether these parts that come off seem fairly solid, but it's a fairly heavy unit. As you can see, it's on there, and here we have the, this is where the water is. I think it's something like 2.5 litres, I think. The water goes into there, and then you empty it. Obviously, there's the instructions. I'll take them out. There's those. Okay. So then obviously you just put it back in. And then this closes again. I don't know. I mean, whether that survives a lot of closing and opening, I don't know. But some of the dehumidifiers you get, it's a real difficult job getting the container which catches the water out of them. Okay, I've had a little look at the unit, and I believe there to be a fault on it. Brand new out of the box, and there's a fault. So basically, when you get the unit, now I've already done this. I've just taken this out again, just to show you. So I did do it the correct way, whereby you don't plug it in, but you take this out from here. So basically, just pretend it's not plugged in. Okay, it's not plugged in. You can't see the light, it's off. So the idea is you open this, you take the unit, this out, okay, and then I think you can close that, and then you plug it in. Then this light comes on here, and then what you do is you put this in, and what's supposed to happen then is a blue light's supposed to come on here, and you can either press this button to make it smart, or to do whatever you want to do, and there's the power on button, even though that doesn't work. So basically, once that's closed with that in, that should change to blue and it should start, and if it starts you don't want to, you just turn it off. So basically what's happening is, behind under here, a little red thing on the right there, a little switch. Let's see if we can get it in. Once I press that, which this is supposed to be going against, because when you stick it in, it's supposed to go against this, and see, even now that's not working. What, that should come on blue, and once that's in, and that should work. That's how you test the button. It's called the let's see, micro switch. It's called the micro switch. So it's got a faulty micro switch. Let's see if I can. It was working occasionally, and then it'd stop, and then it would work. See, it's just going to orange. Yeah, it's a faulty micro switch. They sent me a faulty micro switch one. So basically, then what you do is, see, yeah, so switch. Yeah, so it's gone to blue. Right, now my finger's pressing that all the way in. So that's what should happen. As soon as you put that black container in and close the door, that's what should happen. Now it hasn't been happening. Now let's see what happens now. So it's gone off. I've opened it, it's still not working. That should work. So I've got to try and fiddle about with this and move it across there to get it to come on. What? It's gone off again. So now that needs obviously to stay on when that's closed, otherwise it's pointless having the thing. So I'll show you again. It's the micro switch down the bottom, the red one. You see it there. Okay, you press that. So let's press that again. So it works when I press it with my finger. Goes off. Works with my finger. So I'll repeat it again. That is supposed to, when you put this in, the idea, that should come on now. Well, it doesn't come on. So it's a faulty micro switch, and obviously I should be sending it back. And I don't think I'll be ordering another one of these. So let's try again. See, it tried to come up, so you've got to play about with it to get it on. If it's on, but it'll go off. So that's the review for this one, I'm afraid. Yes, says it all, doesn't it? Thank you for watching my review.